to make something clear for you. During the course, whenever I say press Command, it means press the Control on the Windows. Command is for the Mac. And whenever I say press on the Option, it means press on the Alt on the Windows. Something else I want to make it clear, when you are scaling your object, scaling down or up, sometimes you may need to press Shift so you can scale it without the stretch, and sometimes you don't need. Because of this option, if the height and width are not connected, you need to press Shift to scale it without the stretch. If they are connected, when you press on the Shift, they will be stretched. If they are not connected, when you are pressing on the Shift, they will be scaled without the stretch. So right now they are connected, and when you press on the Shift, they will be stretched. And without the Shift, you can scale it up and down without a stretch. I just wanted to make this clear for you so you don't get confused during the course. See you in the next section. Bye bye.